Hello students, welcome to Atharva Tutors for class 10th and जैसा कि आप जानते हैं हम लोग पॉलिनोमियल्स कर रहे हैं। सो पॉलिनोमियल्स का ये लास्ट एक्सरसाइज है। इसमें बेसिकली जो पहला क्वेश्चन कह रहा है कि डिवाइड द पॉलिनोमियल px and divide the polynomial px and gx. Actually we have to divide the polynomial px by gx and find the quotient and remainder. तो हमें एक पॉलिनोमियल px दिया हुआ है, एक पॉलिनोमियल gx दिया हुआ है, and what we have to do is that we have to divide this polynomial by this polynomial and we have to find out the quotient and the remainder. और उसके बाद विल वेरीफाई द डिवीजन एल्गोरिथम। हम लोग डिवीजन एल्गोरिथम को भी वेरीफाई करेंगे। सो लेट अस बिगिन। तो हमें डिवाइड करना है px पॉलिनोमियल बाय x स्क्वायर माइनस 2 gx पॉलिनोमियल। सो व्हाट विल डू हियर, सिंस यहाँ पे x क्यूब है, यहाँ पे पावर 3 है, यहाँ पे पावर 2 है, तो टू मेक इट गेट कैंसल्ड, अगर इसे हमें कैंसिल करना है तो हमें ऐसे नंबर से ऐसे वेरिएबल से मल्टीप्लाई करना होगा कि वी शुड गेट x3। तो 2 है, एक x का रिक्वायरमेंट है, तो विल मल्टीप्लाई दिस बाय x। सो x स्क्वायर इंटू x विल गिव यू x पावर 3, फिर ये माइनस 2x, तो यहाँ पे माइनस 2x हो जाएगा। सो नाउ विल सब्ट्रैक्ट दिस minus, so here it is minus, so sign will change. This you have done in class 9. So now this x cube minus x cube will get cancelled. Now this will come down minus 3x square. Now this plus 5x plus 2x. Now ये साइन खत्म हो गया, अभी साइन का कोई वैल्यू नहीं है। Now you have to consider plus sign. तो 5x plus 2x will be 7x and this is minus 3. This. Now to get minus 3x square, simply you have to do minus 3. So you will get minus 3x square here, and this minus 2 into minus 3 will give you plus 6. Now if you subtract again, so this will become plus, this will become minus. Now this will get cancelled, 7x. Now this plus sign goes, so you have minus 3 minus 6 is minus 9. Now our division will stop here. We have to stop the division when the power of this becomes smaller than the power of the divisor. That is, if the power of the divisor becomes greater than the power of the remainder, then the division has to stop. So we stop the division. So now here what you got? You got the quotient. This is your quotient, x minus 3, and this is the remainder. So quotient is x minus 3, remainder is 7x minus 9. Now I will show you the division algorithm. According to division algorithm, your dividend is equal to quotient into divisor plus remainder. This is what we call division algorithm. Now dividend is x cube minus 3x square plus 5x minus 3, this equals to quotient you got as x minus 3, divisor is x square minus 2, and the remainder comes out to be 7x minus 9. Now we have to simplify this and we have to show that this on simplification gives out this. If that is true, then our this division is correct. So now let us do this. So if you simplify this, x into x, x cube minus 2x minus 3x square plus 6 plus 7x minus 9. Now x cube, so it will remain x cube. minus 3x square we have to write in order. Always you have to write the polynomials in order, decreasing order, the highest power followed by the smaller powers. So minus 3x square, then x will come minus 2x plus 7x is minus 5x, then plus 6 minus 9 is minus 3. Now let us check here. Okay, this is plus 9. So now let us say x cube minus 3x square plus 5x minus 3. So it's correct. So this way you have to do whenever if they ask the question that divide polynomial by this polynomial and verify division algorithm, then you have to carry out this whole process. अगर आपसे ये पूछा कहा जाता है कि आप एक पॉलिनोमियल को दूसरे पॉलिनोमियल से डिवाइड करिए और डिवीजन एल्गोरिदम को वेरीफाई करिए, तो आपको ये पूरे स्टेप्स करने होंगे. सो आई होप दिस इज वेरी मच क्लियर टू यू. सो जस्ट यू कैन नोट इट डाउन. सो नाउ आई विल मूव टू द नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. Question number 2 I will do now. Now let us see what is question number 2. So question number 2 is this. We have the polynomial. Now we are doing question number 2 in this. Your polynomial px is x power 4 minus 3x square plus 4x plus 5, and you have to divide this polynomial by another polynomial which is given this way, x square plus 1 minus x. So as I said, before dividing just check that if both the polynomials are in order. So here if you check 4, 2, 1, it's in order. But here if you check x square is here, then constant is there, then x is there. So just write this x square, then minus x plus 1 this way. So it will make the division easier for you. अब आते हैं डिवीजन करते हैं हम लोग. तो डिवीजन अगर हम लोग करेंगे तो अंदर डिविडेंड लिखेंगे. हमारा डिविडेंड है x4 minus 3x square plus 4x plus 5, and we'll divide this by the polynomial x square minus x plus 1. इससे हमें डिवाइड करना है. The same procedure we have to follow. हमें x power 4 लाना है, x square यहाँ पे है, so we'll divide by multiply by x square. Now x power 2 into x power 2 will give you x power 4. Minus x into x square will give you minus x cube. Now see here, we don't have minus x cube, we just write it here. Then plus x square is there. So what we can do one thing. अगर कहीं पावर मिसिंग आता है तो आप थोड़ा सा गैप करके लिख दीजिए. आप थोड़ा सा गैप करके लिख दीजिए. You write it here, minus 3x square plus 4x plus 5. यहाँ पे थोड़ी सी गैपिंग दे दीजिए फॉर द मिसिंग टर्म. अगर वाइल डिवाइडिंग अगर मिसिंग टर्म आ गया तो वेयर टू पुट. सो जस्ट लीव अ स्मॉल गैप हियर. नाउ सी x square x power 4, then you get minus x cube. So you can write it here minus x cube, then plus x square, then here plus x square. अब आ गया आपका. Now you have to subtract. So if you subtract, this will become minus, this will become plus, this will become minus. मतलब ये यहाँ पे साइन चला जाएगा, ये साइन यहाँ से चला जाएगा. Now x4 cancel. Here x cube you write minus 3 minus 1 will give you minus 4x square plus 4x plus 5. Now we have to get x cube. So x square should be multiplied by plus x, क्योंकि यहाँ पे plus x cube है. So this will give you x cube minus x square plus x. So this will become again subtracting minus plus minus. अब ये ऊपर वाला जो साइन था चला गया. So x cube minus x cube cancel. Minus 4 plus 1 will give you minus 3x square. 4 minus 1 will give you plus 3x. And this plus 5. Now you have to get minus 3x square. X square is already there. That means you multiply this by minus 3. You will get minus 3x square. Then minus minus will be plus 3x. Then minus 3. So if you subtract now this is plus, this is minus, this is plus. This cancel, 5 plus 3 will give you 8. Now here the quotient comes out to be x square plus x minus 3 and the remainder comes out to be 8. Now if you have to verify the division algorithm for this, so you should have your dividend equals to divisor multiplied by quotient plus remainder. So if you do this, your dividend is x4 minus 3x square plus 4x plus 5. Your divisor is x square minus x plus 1. Quotient is x square plus x minus 3 and the remainder is plus 8. Now open this bracket. X square into x square will be x power 4. X square into x will be plus x cube. Then minus 3x square. Then minus x into x square will be minus x cube. Minus x plus will be minus x square. Then this minus into minus plus 3x. Then with 1 it will be plus x square plus x minus 3 plus 8. Now you see x cube and minus x cube get cancelled. Here you get x power 4. Now minus 3x square minus x square is 4x square. So you can see this minus x square plus x square is also cancelled. So you get minus 3x square. Then for x, if you see plus 3x plus x is 4x. And minus 3 plus 8 is 5. So this is verified. This way you can verify the division algorithm. So I hope you are understanding how this is done. Actually this you have done in class 9th. So I hope you'll be finding easier to do. Now, so just note it down so that I can move to the next question. Okay students, so I will do now question number 3. Question number 3 is this. Here it's given, Px is given. Now this is question number 3 of question number 1. Question number 1 part 3. So Px is given to be x4 minus 5x plus 6 and they are saying you have to divide this by polynomial 2 minus x square. Again we have to arrange. So first the variable should come, then the constant. So you can arrange this way, minus x square plus 2. So now if you divide this, again see x4, then see x3 and x power 2 part are missing. So you just leave a gap and then here you write minus 5x plus 6. Now you divide it by minus x square plus 2. Now you see this is positive. So what you will do, you will divide it by minus of x square. So minus into minus will be plus x power 4, then minus 2x square. So you can write it here minus 2x square. Now you subtract this minus plus. This will get cancelled. You write here, now this minus is gone to your plus. So plus 2x square minus 5x plus 6. Now you have to get plus sign here. So what you will do? You will do minus 2. So minus into minus will become plus 2x square. Then it will be minus plus into minus minus 2 2 ja 4. Now if you subtract again, so this cancelled and this you will get minus 5x plus 10. Now as you see, here the power is 2, here the power is 1. That means the remainder has power less than the divisor. So your division will stop here. So this will be the quotient, this will be the remainder. And you can verify the division algorithm. So you write dividend equals to divisor into quotient plus remainder. So dividend, if you write, it will be x4 minus 5x plus 6. This you can write, your divisor is minus x square plus 2, quotient is minus x square minus 2, then you are getting minus 5x plus 10. Can you see a pattern here? See, this is a plus b, this is a minus b. So a plus b into a minus b is a square minus b square. So that is this square minus this square, then minus 5x plus 10. So minus square is plus, so this will become x power 4 minus 4, then minus 5x plus 10. Or you can write this x4 minus 5x, then 10 minus 4 is plus 6. It's same like this. Therefore division algorithm is satisfied. So you can note it down. So my dear students, this is all for today. This is first 3 questions of question number 1, and then we'll be moving to question number 2 in the next video. So I hope you understood what I taught. In case if you have any doubt, you can comment me. I keep on telling in my every video that you can comment me in my comment box, and I will try to solve your problem. So this is all for today. Have a nice day.